Stuck with a domain and no idea how to grow your business? Namecheap's hidden Build Plus Grow Hub gives you a free step-by-step plan. I know that feeling of staring at your dashboard, knowing you have a great domain name, but feeling completely lost on what to do next. It turns out the tools you need have been right there the whole time. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to use each section to establish, brand, and market your business. This isn't just a list of random features. I am going to walk you through Namecheap's official hub like an insider, so you can see exactly how it connects everything together. So let's start at the Namecheap homepage. This is where most of us land when we first buy a domain, and it is easy to get overwhelmed by all the options. Don't worry about any of that right now. What we want is up at the very top of the page, in the header. Look for the link that says Help Center. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to the support side of Namecheap, and it is where they keep their best-kept secret. Once you are inside the Help Center, you will see a navigation menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down a bit until you see the section labeled Build Plus Grow Hub. Click on that. This is the golden ticket. I have spent a lot of time digging through different hosting dashboards, and I can tell you that having a dedicated hub like this is rare and incredibly valuable. Now, the first thing you will see on the Build Plus Grow Hub page is a big button that says Get Liftoff to make your vision a reality. Click that. This starts your actual journey. It takes you from just reading about features to actually building a plan. Take a moment to read the overview that pops up. It explains that your original inspired idea needs attention in 4 key areas. Namecheap has mapped them out for you with easy tools designed to help at every step. This is the big picture. Do not skip past it. Next, you will see a button that says Start Quiz. Click on that. This is a really smart feature. Instead of you having to guess what you need to do first, the quiz helps assess your specific needs. Answer a few quick questions, and it will point you to the right starting point. All right, let's click on the first section, Establish Your Business. This covers the legal and structural stuff, things like deciding on a business structure and getting your paperwork in order. It might not be the most exciting part, but it is the foundation everything else sits on. Now click on Build Your Brand. This is where it gets fun. Here you will find tools and guides for picking your business name, designing a logo, and creating your visual identity. I have tested a lot of logo generators over the years, and the tools linked here are surprisingly good for getting started. Go ahead and click on Establish Your Business again. I know we just looked at it, but clicking back into it from this view shows you the specific resources and articles inside that section. It gives you the deeper details you actually need. Now, click on Generate Traffic. You have a business and a brand, but nobody can buy from you if they cannot find you. This section covers SEO, social media basics, and content marketing. It teaches you how to get people to actually visit your website. Finally, click on Engage Your Audience. Getting traffic is one thing, but keeping people around is another. This section is all about email marketing, building a community, and turning one-time visitors into loyal customers. Explore the resources inside each of these sections. Click around, look at the articles, the templates, and the tool suggestions. Take a few minutes to really dig in. Now, review your plan. Look back at the quiz results and the sections you clicked through. You should have a clear path from where you are now to a fully operational business. And here's a pro tip. Bookmark this page for later. Seriously, save it to your browser favorites. You are going to want to come back to these resources as you grow. I revisit it myself whenever I start a new project. So there you have it. You now know exactly how to use Namecheap's Build Plus Grow Hub to plan, brand, and market your business. No more feeling lost in the dashboard. You have a roadmap now. Go get started.